RDDT Stock Analysis on Price Predictions. Is it a buy or not? Let's see where is Reddit.com or just Reddit stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Like I said previously, uh, ever since I made a video last, like it has been only gone down, 4.38% down. Like honestly speaking, if I go to like the 2 hour or so, let's go here. Like really, definitely bearish, because like the only way that I'm really going to be bullish, like I was just looking at this, is if the price starts breaking above highs at like $46 and then even further. That's the only way that I'm going to approach this. Let me get rid of this, because putting a buy here with this bearish momentum is huge. Although I know we don't have that much data, we only have data from March this year. So yeah, from 21st of March. So we have like 25 days worth of data, at least. But yeah, I'm only willing to take it higher if the price starts breaking above those highs. It's not financial advice. Mark out these highs as well here. So only if that happens, I'm bullish. But new candles are gonna keep rolling around. So I'm gonna try to keep you updated with RDDT. So for more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.